In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a table using the Excel key in N8N, step by step. If you're working with Excel files inside your workflow and you need to remove a table quickly, this is the exact method to use. It's simple, fast, and once you know where to click, you can set it up in just a few moments. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick N8N tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your N8N workflow and go to the Nodes panel. From there, search for Microsoft Excel and select it. This is the node you'll use to work with Excel-related actions inside your automation. Once the node is added to your canvas, you'll see the available options for the Excel integration. Next, choose Delete a Table. This is the specific action that allows you to remove an existing table from your Excel file. After selecting it, the configuration panel will appear, and now you need to give it the required details. In the setup, make sure you provide the correct Excel key and any other necessary information related to the file and table you want to target. The details must match the table you want to delete, so double-check everything before running the workflow. If the file or table name is wrong, the action won't affect the correct table. Once you've entered the required values, review your configuration carefully. Make sure the Microsoft Excel node is connected properly in your workflow and that all the details are accurate. After that, you're ready to execute the node and delete the table from your Excel file. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete a table using the Excel key in N8N. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more N8N automation guides. Thanks for watching.